Good morning and Jai Hind students. I am Nutan Gupta sending the second video of chapter part 2 chapter Internet Online Surfing. Today we will discuss about the potential threats while using the internet. While discussing computer security, our threats can be described as possible danger to security. जब हम कंप्यूटर सिक्योरिटी के बारे में बात करते हैं तो कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें सिक्योरिटी को बर्डन करते समय उस समय कोई भी थ्रेट उसमें आ सकता है, पॉसिबल डेंजर उसमें हो सकता है. मच harm can be done breathing the security system of the computer through internet. But when security system of the computer breaching the security system of the computer, then there are so many harms can be done through the internet. A threat can be either international, and this threat may be international, accidental. Therefore, it is the utmost important to alert the vigilant while giving the personal detail like debit card, password, PIN, etc. on the web. So we have to aware while giving the personal details if anywhere like debit cards, password, PIN, etc. on the web. First, I'm talking about the first threat is malware. Malware is the short form of the malicious software. Malware is the short form of malicious software. It includes virus, worms, and Trojan horses, and it includes the Trojan horses, virus, and worms. It initially behave as a scareware and generates a pop-up message and that trick the user result of downloading the malicious program. When we download some malicious program, it include by itself. This program can reformat the hard drive of your computer, causing the loss of information. When we want to want to remove this program, we can reach the cause of loss of information. It may also steal your sensitive information also. Now second is virus. Virus is a program that is secretly embedded on the computer system to steal, corrupt, and destroy data is known as the computer virus. A virus is we should say technical problems which steal, corrupt, destroy our full data of our computer. It can change the functioning of the computer and that can spread to other computer also. If we find the virus in any computer and we use any data cable and any PD pen drive to download a program by that virus's computer, then we can affect to another computer also. Now third one is Trojan. Trojan is a malicious program that embedded itself into the logimatic and software pretend to be the harmless application. Actually Trojan horse एक ऐसा प्रोग्राम है जो यूजर्स को किसी भी रिमोट लोकेशन के यूजर के कंप्यूटर को नियंत्रित करने की अनुमति देता है. ट्रोजन हॉर्सेस आमतौर पर बहुत ही खतरनाक एंड रिस्क्यूज होता है, लेकिन कुछ उपयोगकर्ता के लिए उपयोगी भी होता है. अगर हैकर आपके सिस्टम में ट्रोजन हॉर्स डालने में सफल हो जाता है और तो एक प्रोग्राम इंस्टॉल करने के बाद हैकर आपके कंप्यूटर सिस्टम में दूर से ही कंट्रोल करके आपके मैलिशियस प्लेलोड्स, क्रिएट बैकडोर और अनवांटेड एप्लीकेशंस को इंस्टॉल कर सकता है. नाउ अनदर प्रोग्राम इज worms. Worms are the common threats of the computer. A worm, unlike a virus, attacks computer on its without attacking itself, file or the program. It takes a place in your computer memory and propagates by sending itself to other computer in a network. It consumes the system memory or network bandwidth heavily, thus adversely affecting the speed of the computer and network. Actually, what is the worm? Worm enters our computer enters our computer. Worm is a common threats of the computer, and worms are unlike a virus. Just like a virus, attacks a computer its own without attaching itself la file program. We don't want to install it in our computer, but it is already come with the attaching file and programs. It takes place in your computer memory and sending the difficulties and in your computer's file and the computers in the network. It consumes the system memory and network bandwidth heavily. It also consumes the system memory and network bandwidth heavily, thus adversely affecting the speed of the computer and the network. And the next is keylogers. Keylogers, it is a program that records every keystrokes and uses to get the information such as password and other sensitivity information fraudulently. Keylogers यह एक लोकली एंड रिमोटली दोनों की तरह कंप्यूटर में इंस्टॉल किया जा सकता है और काम में लिया जा सकता है. कीलोजर बेसिकली बनाया गया था इस किसी कंपनी में काम कर रहे एम्प्लॉयज़ एक्टिविटी की पता करने के लिए वह दिन भर कंप्यूटर में क्या क्या करते हैं. पर फिर इसे बहुत से कामों में जैसे साइबर कैफ़े, आईटी हब्स, कॉलेजेस में यूज़ किया जाने लगा. ये एक ऐसा प्रोग्राम है जो किसी भी स्ट्रोक को रिकॉर्ड करता है और कंप्यूटर में इन्हें गलत तरीके से इंस्टॉल भी किया जा सकता है हैकर्स इस द्वारा, जिससे कि वे किसी भी यूज़र को स्पाई कर सकें और साथ में ये भी जान सकें कि यूज़र आखिर में क्या टाइपिंग कर रहा है. यस, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज कुकीज़. कुकीज़ इज द टेक्स्ट मैसेज given in the web web server, and web browser saves this specific data saves this user specific data in the text file. This file is called cookies and later used the browser to prepare the customized web page. An HTTP cookies is a small piece of data stored in the user's computer by web and had been leaving to persistence cookies on visitors. In another way, we can say a cookies is a small amount of data generated by the website and saved by our web browser. Its purpose is to remember information about you. Similar, a preference file created by the software application. Cookies are also used as store to use preference for a specific site. Next is spyware. Spyware. It is a type of software that secretly collect information about the online user. It monitors and surfing habits of the user and steal information about the visited web page, email addresses, password, and credit card numbers. Actually, spyware describes the software with the malicious behavior that aim to gather information about a person or organization and send such information to another entity in the way that harms the user. For example, by violently their privacy or endangering their device security. This behavior may be present in the malware as well as the legitimate software. Now, spyware is frequently associated with the advertising and involve many same issues because these behavior are so common and can have non-harmful uses. Providing a precise definitions of spyware is a difficult task. So there are so many potential threats are just like spamming, scriptware, and ransomware. All are affected by their all purposes to giving the virus in the any program.